Yeah, this is YouTube. Sort of thing we'd sell anyway, isn't it?
Well, the trouble is it looks better than mine and Bruce's.
Go on to the iPlayer and have a look at it. And this mother and daughter in this one's 5 stone and
the baby one's alright. Oh, you've got your hands full. Alright. I think I've gone down now. Singing. Oh, it's on. Oh, don't do that. Yeah, it's clear that stuff further. Hey, we took actually winning it. Yeah.
Why are you sawing the boat in half? We could have bung that on eBay. We could have sold it on eBay. So he didn't pay on the day. He was only 1 day late on the payment. Poor bloke. Putting it on YouTube. If they don't pay their boating fees on time.
Sadly, this member forgot to renew.
Yeah, that's it. 1 day is late on renewal. You've been told.